As the Earth continues to evolve and temperatures continue to rise, UV protection and infrared heat rejection remain two very important topics. Xpel Prime XP window film provides excellent performance for heat rejection, UV protection, and optical clarity. Utilizing multi-layer advanced technology and composed of precious metals like gold and silver, this film rejects up to 94% of infrared heat, stabilizing the interior temperatures and offering an efficient solution for heat control. It also allows up to 72% of visible light through the glass while providing an extremely clear view. Xpel Prime XP rejects heat and provides maximum UV protection, making it the perfect choice for your vehicle and your family. Xpel. Protect everything you love.